Good morning. It's a cold start here on Sunday morning. Actually, it's nice to see the sun out. And we're going to fire off the convertible as requested. Fires right off. Pop the hood. Walk around. Nothing unusual, just condensation type exhaust. Sounds beautiful. Yeah. Yes, I do. You can come. If I'm with the customer, it'll take a few minutes, but yeah. Equal sound of the 2.0. Electronic injectors. German oil filter, because we service some here, not the white stuff, white box stuff, if you don't know what it is. Coolant is nice and clean. The EPA stickers I highlighted on the other video. The alternator, serpentine belt. Runs great. We're very selective about the vehicles we bring in and know that you'll enjoy. Just showing the tack. Running very nicely. I hope I pictured what interests you. Thank you.